How to set Samsung keyboard language switching method to language key or spacebar swipe or both on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then in here tap on General, Management. Then in here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, tap on Languages and Types. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on Language Switch Method. From the pop-up, you could choose both by selecting Language Key and Spacebar Swipe, or you can select either Language Key or Spacebar Swipe. So here, if I select both, and if I open up my keyboard, you can see I can switch my language on the keyboard by swiping across on the spacebar. Or I can tap on this language key or the globe icon to switch between the different available languages on the keyboard. And here you can turn it off if you don't want to use both options. So we go into languages and types, and in here you can choose simply just language key, or you can choose simply just using the spacebar swipe. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.